You know that feeling when you want everything right now? Like ordering food online and refreshing the app every 5 seconds, as if staring at it makes the delivery driver speed up. Yeah, that's how most of us treat money. We want to get rich fast, like overnight rich. Just give me one magic stock pick, one crypto coin, or one lottery ticket. We daydream about Ferraris, mansions, and retiring at 25. But here's the truth. That's not how real wealth is built. Wealth is sneaky. It grows slowly, almost boringly, in the background. It's saving a little each month, even when it feels small. It's investing in things like index funds, letting them compound year after year. It's patience, like planting a money tree, and actually waiting for it to grow instead of digging it up every week to check the roots. And yeah, it takes time. But time is your best friend. Every dollar invested today is like a tiny worker building your financial future. Give them 10, 20, 30 years, and those tiny workers build you a financial empire. So if you're tired of chasing get-rich-quick schemes, remember this. The real secret is get rich slow. Save, invest, be patient. Because at the end of the day, slow and steady doesn't just win the race. Slow and steady always wins in wealth building.